Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini for the month of August 2021. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing a lot of remedies, switch words for career, reconciliation, love, finance, also the daily horoscope, and so many other important things, knowledge on law of attraction, palmistry, etc., etc. So you can just go to my Instagram. The link is in the description. It is also bobbing here on the screen. All right, let's see messages for Gemini. And if you don't already know, I'm a Gemini sun myself. So hey Gemini. Gemini, can't believe it's already about to be August. Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's see messages. Give me present energy for Gemini. What the fuck is my Gemini doing these days? Please let me know. 401, that's beautiful. Some of you decorating home, spending time with the family, you wanting to buy a home, looking for a home, purchasing a home, giving that down payment. Some of you also attending marriage, get together, family moments, trying to meet your friends, socializing basically. What else? Nine of Cups. This is beautiful. Some of you, if you have a wish of purchasing a home, like you want to have your own home, that's your wish. I see that is coming true. For others of you, I also see that you were manifesting few things in the last 4 to 9 months, and I see that universe is basically granting whatever you were wishing for. So a lot of your wishes are coming true, Gemini. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Your money is about to increase drastically. 5 of Swords. Okay. 7 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. All right. Some of you, maybe recently you faced a situation where somebody kind of was trying to get against you. I see some sort of rivalry when it comes to money, or somebody was trying to create unnecessary hurdle for you. Some of you might have also lost some money in the process, and you kind of felt disappointed, but the universe is just telling you that whatever you lost, you have much more than that coming towards you. All right. Some of you also working on a new project or something, and you're doing everything in your best capacity to make things happen, and your wish is going to be granted. I also feel that there could be some sort of obstacle in the sense that there would be competition. All right. So if you are especially preparing for some sort of exam, you're appearing for an interview, or it's just that you're working on a new project, be sure that you will face some obstacle, but the good thing is that you will ultimately win. All right. It might look like a long process, Gemini. You might feel tired that, oh my god, I'm working on it for such a long time and I cannot see success yet. But your message is to not throw in the towel just before you hit the jackpot, because most of the people who are not successful are the people who basically quit just before they were about to win. All right. Just before they were about to get it, they just quit. So that is the problem, and you are being asked that no matter how hard it gets, some of you, it feels really really hard for you, it feels very burdensome for you, but you are told not to give up. Some of you, this is regarding a connection, like you really really hope for a connection with somebody, and it is a platonic love. Like there is not much expression here. You love this person is also dropping hints, but they are not telling you anything very openly, and I see some sort of secret is about to be coming out. Some of you, this person might actually tell you that they want to be with you, or the love or whatever, because the cards are good here. So that is why I'm not telling you that this person is going to cheat and that's going to be the secret here. The secret is a good secret, that it is going to lead to a lot of wish fulfillment, and you're getting finally what you want. But some of you, all of this is pending for a very long time, so it has been quite a journey that you were waiting for this confirmation, but this person was taking forever. Your message is to not give up just before you receive it, because I see finally somebody is going to confess that they have feelings for you. It could be a fire sign. Some of you water sign, Cancer or Pisces, very strongly if it's a water sign. All right, so give me Gemini's feelings towards this person. You're losing faith, Gemini. Some of you really losing your faith over the situation, because all of this has been happening for some time. It's not a new connection. It's like you are hoping for a commitment from this person, whoever you're dealing with, for some time, and this person is not giving to you, and you are also feeling very hopeless over the situation. You're also having panic attacks and sleepless nights. You feel that this is never going to come, and you're waiting for the judgment day. You're like waiting for this person to finally open up, but you feel it's not coming in. So it's like on one side you're waiting, on the other side you're not believing that it will happen. You cannot see it coming towards you, so you're like, it's never coming. So something is just getting delayed and it is draining your energy. Two of Pentacles. Some of you are trying to juggle a lot of things at once. Maybe that is why you're overburdened also, Gemini. You're trying to do a lot of things at once. It is also draining your energy. Your message is to take rest. And with the Queen of Pentacles, some of you, Queen of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles shows that you will be having multiple ways of making money. So money wise, I see your energy is very abundant because you are using all your skills to monetize and make money, and it's also giving you returns. So it's not like you're just wishing for it and it's not coming. It's like you are wishing for it and it's coming towards you. But when it comes to love, you feel that somebody is juggling you, or this person is not making a decision, and it is quite upsetting you. Some of you also started feeling that this person is a cheater, liar, betrayer. Some of you, maybe they did that in the past, like they never confess. They always leave you in the dark. They do not tell you what it is. And because of that, you feel very hopeless in the situation. You feel this person is up for no security and no stability, and they are also always playing games, and they will never give you commitment. Like, this is what you feel, Gemini. You've become very negative in your thought process when it comes to love, and all of this is because of your past experiences in love. Okay, what else? Two of Swords. Have you blocked this person in waiting for a communication, Gemini? So you see Two of Swords is a blocking energy, and Page of Cups. So I see some of you have blocked this person, deleted them, or you're planning to do that, or some of you just, it's like you are not initiating conversation. This person is not talking, you are not talking, but you're waiting for a communication regardless. You feel this person is a sneak escapist. You feel this person is an escapist big time. You are hoping for a commitment, but you feel this person is like an escapist. Yeah, so I see all of this is actually giving you a lot of discontentment, Gemini. You feel that this person is never going to be what you want them to be. You're not able to trust them at all. Knight of Swords. You feel this person, some of you, this person feels like a playboy, playgirl. You think this person is a playboy, playgirl. You are hoping for a Queen of Pentacles, but this person in your energy is coming like a Knight of Swords. So you think this person cannot be trusted. You really feel that. Seven of Wands. You've definitely blocked them, or you're planning on blocking them, or you've deleted them, or you're just not talking to them. So it's like you're not talking to them, but then you're waiting for communication. What the fuck is that, Gemini? Alright. What is this person's energy towards Gemini? Page of Pentacles. This person is coming in with communication, but a little slow. So slow that it is really testing your patience. Some of you, this person has ghosted you, or they're very quiet. Like, this person definitely has a problem with communication. First of all, they're very slow. Second of all, this person is very detached. Some of you, this person is in some sort of education institute, or they're learning something, or they are just teaching something about education, learning, teaching. Or some of you, this person is going under some training, I don't know. You want this person to rush in with communication, but they are taking their own time, their own sweet time. And all of this is frustrating you. However, they want to connect with you, yeah. Moon card. Some of you, this person feels you are very mysterious, Gemini. You think they are mysterious, they think you are mysterious. But there is love here. Feelings are definitely there. This person wants to be with you again, but they're going to take their own sweet time. This person has problem communicating. They have problem telling you things. They have problem being fast. So you're dating somebody who's very slow. And this person, in the past, I also see that they had a tough time to have balance in the situation. Maybe this person cannot make a choice. You know, Libra, even in astrology, we say that though it's a card of balance, but here the things are always disbalanced. So I see some of you, this person was very disbalanced and they had a hard time making a choice. And all of this basically led to a lot of delay. Some of you, maybe you know that there is a third party in the situation, or you know that might not be very significant, but you have insecurities. Maybe this person has a friend and you think that both of them are dating, so you have a hard time trusting them. Some of you, that's the problem. You really hope for this person to level up, but this person is not doing it as fast as you want, and it is causing a lot of heartbreak for you. There is love, but major trust issues from your side. I also feel that you do not want to initiate anything here. You feel that you have done your part and now it is this person's turn to do whatever they want to do. And if they will not initiate a contact, you will never do it. So you feel that I'm not going to do it. If this person wants to do it, they can, and then I will see to it. So I see that you are basically taking a break from this person and just focused on your own self, see? Very focused on your money, very focused on whatever. Whatever is your priority. Yeah, see, you're not focused on this person, or at least you're trying not to focus. You're very focused on your own stability. Though you have love for this person, but you're like, sorry, I can't make a move. Some of you are very, very focused on leveling up, being an empress that you are. You are really looking at that side of yours, that abundant side of yours, and you're trying to do things for yourself. You've become very abundant, or you will become very abundant in the times to come. And you're basically leaving all this drama in the past and you're moving on. See, you just don't want to be part of drama. You are just focused on your own strength. You've become very independent also after this, So the tower moment that you had with this person, it actually made you very strong. Your inner strength is at the peaks. Some of you, you've also become very, like you're just using your brain a lot these days. You're not trying to take things from your emotions. You're not taking decisions for the emotions, but using your intellect. Being very, very practical, basically. Being in the moment, being very practical. Yeah, 3 of Cups and the 6 of Swords, see? You're also trying to socialize. You're trying to do good for yourself, meeting friends. Some of you traveling, I see location change. So you might be traveling, changing your place. Alright, give me some energy about this person. What is their next move towards my Gemini? Knight of Pentacles again. See, Page of Pentacles. Knight. This person is coming in with communication. Gemini. The only problem is they are slow. They are slow, and because they are slow, you are moving on. You think you don't have time for this, so you're being very stubborn. There is love here. See, in the bottom of in the center we have Ace of Cups. There is love. Some of you are also very obsessed with this person, so you cannot let go. You have attachment issues. So that is why, though you're trying to move on, but you still have strings attached, and this person coming towards you, but slow. Some of it's a Sagittarius. You're hoping for balance. I see a new beginning between both of you, but it's gonna take some time. And for time being, your message is to unburden yourself and try to take rest, rejuvenate. Oh, I forgot the pronunciation. Rejuvenate. Yeah, rejuvenate and move on. All right. Some of you really need to take care of your blood sugar levels, maybe, and balance. Just balance. You need to meditate. You're already meditating, or you need to meditate. Love is showing up for you. This person is showing up for you, but it's a little slow thing. So everything is going to happen at the divine timing. You want things to happen very quickly. The only problem is this person is slow. They are coming in, but they are slow. They're slow, Gemini. You want things fast. I can understand. Queen of Cups. There's love here, bitches. There is definitely love here. It's a mutual love. Hanged Man. But things are going to happen slow. Again, slow is the thing. Gemini, try to focus this time. Don't waste time, because time is most precious thing to be wasted. Try to focus your time and energy towards building your future, because I see if you focus, you prioritize your work, you're going to make some good money. So work hard and focus on your stability rather than waiting and killing time for this person. All right, they will come when they are meant to come, and they are coming in anyway. So don't waste time. All right. Try to look things in a new perspective. Maybe you're just too rigid with your thought pattern. You're like, things will only happen like this, and if it do not happen like this, it can never happen. You need to change that perspective for yours. You are going through a major transformation. You might not be realizing it, but you are. And I see that you're really, really focused on your work. You're prioritizing your work. It's going to pay you well, really well. You have really worked on yourself. You have honed your skills. All of this is going to give you so much of abundance in coming times. With the 3 of 1, I see your creativity, your business, your money is going to expand. Some of you, you're going to take it abroad as well. So something about foreign travel or travel is very prominent here. Some of you, you're connecting with somebody who's at a distance. So maybe this distance is delaying things. So this person who you're connecting with lives at a distance, and that is why things are progressing slowly. Again, Four of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. You're holding on to this person is holding on to you, but you also need to hold on to your money, all right? Your money seems really good. You need to release. Two of Cups. This person is not going anywhere, you know it. This person is going to come back, you know it. But for now, it's a soulmate, some of you. But for now, just focus on your stability. Just take charge of your life. Your life is all over the place. Your work is all over the place. Your mental health is all over the place. You need to focus on that. Maybe take a break and then reset your life, all right? All right, message with Gemini. Two cards want to come out, so worth waiting for and very soon. See, again, all of this is going to happen in the divine timing. The divine timing is at play, and very soon you will see things turning for you. So just have patience. You want things to happen very soon, maybe. The message is that you want things to happen very soon, but you gotta wait for some time. Again, the same message got repeated. Some of you, this person is from a different religion. So that is why you get really scared. Different religion, different community. So you're like, how will this happen? When will this happen? Their family will accept me or not, etc., etc. You don't have to worry about anything. Everything is happening in the divine order. Trust. Playfulness. Just try to be more playful in your life. You're just taking things too seriously and overburdening yourself. Stop doing that, Gemini. Things are aligning for you in the most beautiful way. You just need to trust. You're trying to hasten the process because you're a Gemini. I understand you're an air sign. You want things like this. But things are going to take their own course of time. The divine timing is at play. Trust and release the burden. So that was a very beautiful reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video in the weekly reads. And till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.